Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study about adjective. First of all we will see the definition. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. There are many things that it could tell us about a noun. By seeing a definition we can understand that an adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. Now we will see the examples. First of all, we will see the first example. Ravi is a naughty boy. In this sentence, a word naughty is an adjective, and here it is telling about more about a noun. Noun here as a Ravi. So it is telling about a noun. So in this sentence, Ravi is a boy. So here the question arises, what kind of a boy? So here adjective tell about more about a noun. So here in this sentence Ravi is a naughty boy. So here that word is used especially for Ravi. So Ravi is a naughty boy. Now we will see the second sentence. Can you show me the pink pen? In this sentence a word pink is used here as an adjective. In this sentence the question arises, which pen? So here pink pen. Can you show me the pink pen? So in this sentence, a pen is a noun. An adjective is telling about a noun. Now we will see the third sentence. There are 4 computers in the room. A word 4 is used here as an adjective and it is telling about a noun. So here computer is used here as a noun. Okay, so there are 4 computers in the room. So in this sentence, the question arises, how many computers? There are 4 computers in the room. Here we should know more about an adjective. An adjective describes or points out or tells us the number or quantity of a noun. That's why it is called a describing word. An adjective that describe or point out the word also and tell about the number also and quantity also. Now we will discuss kinds of adjectives. There are 9 kinds of adjectives. First of all we will see adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, distributive adjectives, emphasizing adjectives, proper adjectives. Now we will see the point first. Adjective of quantity describe the kind, quality or state of a noun. They answer the question of what kind, or in another way we can say these are the words that give us information about the questions of a noun or pronoun. Here we will see the examples: good, bad, clean, sweet, nice. We can use these words in a sentence also. Maria is a good girl. It is a clean city. These mangoes are sweet. It is nice book. Now we will see the second point, that is adjectives of quantity. Tell us how much of a thing there is. They are used for uncountable nouns. They answer the question how much. Or in another word we can say these are the measuring words that tell us about the quantity of uncountable nouns. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. And here is some examples: some, little, much, enough. We can use such word in a sentence also. They have little knowledge about this book. Please give me some coffee. Reena spends much money. They have enough money to spend. Now we will see the point third, adjectives of number. Inform us how many things there are. They are used for countable nouns. They answer the question how many. or in what way or order. And we can say in another way also, these are the words that tell us about the quantity, how many, and order, in what order of countable nouns. Now we will see the example. Few or many. Cardinal numbers also here is used. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 40. Okay. Ordinals numbers also. First, second, third, fourth and last. We can use these words in a sentence also. Your brother got first position. She plays with 2 dolls. I teach some children daily. So we can use these words in such examples. Now we will see the point 4. Demonstrative adjectives are words such as this, that, these and those that are used to point out specific people or things. They tell whether the noun they refer to is singular or plural, and whether it is located near to or far from the speaker or writer. Or in another way we can say, these are the words that identify the noun that follows them, such as this, that, these and those. They also indicate whether the noun that follows them is singular or plural. Demonstrative adjectives answer the questions which. Here we can see the example. This umbrella belongs to me. And here some more example. This book is mine. These apples are sour. That cat is white. Such example we can use in demonstrative adjectives. Now we will see number 5, that is interrogative adjectives are words such as which, whose and what that are used along with noun to ask questions, or we can say in another way, these are the words that are used which are noun in a question such as whose, which, what and so on. Here is an example. Which road should we take for the zoo? And there is another example. Which umbrella do you use in rain? What games does he play every day? Now we will see number 6, that is possessive adjectives are words such as or, his, her, my and your that indicate belonging. Other examples are its singular and their plural. We can say in another word also. These are the words that show possession such as my, or, your, his, her, their and so on. These adjectives are used before a noun to indicate ownership. For example here, this is my purse, I do my work, you write your letter. In these examples, in first we can see my, it is a possessive adjective. My is used before noun. Here noun is used as a person. So here that before noun we use the possessive adjective. And the second example, my, okay, then here third, your. So these are the possessive adjectives. Now we will see the number 7th. Distributive adjectives are words such as each, every, either and neither and make distribution of nouns. Or we can say in another word, the adjectives which make distribution of nouns are called distributive adjectives. Here is as example we can take each, every, either, neither. Okay. And here we can see our examples. Those are written here. Each farmer had a stick. And second, I have searched every room. You can take either pen. So here in a first sentence each, and the second sentence every, and the third sentence either. These are the distributive adjectives. Now we will see number 8. Emphasizing adjectives are words such as on, every, etc. that are used to emphasize an opinion about something. Here we will see the given examples. This is my own business. And second example, that is the very girl who has won the award. In a first sentence, on, and the second sentence, very, these are the emphasizing adjectives. Now we will see number 9. Proper adjectives are formed from proper noun. These describe a thing by referring to the proper noun, such as Shakespearean play, an Indian farmer, the Roman emperor, the English language, etc. Here, Shakespearean, Indian, Roman, and English are the adjective forms of the proper noun. Shakespeare, India, Rome, and England. Here we will see more about the proper adjectives, then you will better understand. Here is written the definition. Proper adjective, an adjective that is formed from a proper noun and that is usually capitalized in English. Here is some example. Here you can see one side there is written the proper noun and the other side there is written the proper adjective. So here in the proper noun, downside there is written Cambodia, and here in proper adjective there is written Cambodian. And here in the proper noun there is written Thailand. In the proper adjective there is written Thai. And the proper noun here downside there is written Australia, and here in the proper adjective there is written Australian. In the proper noun here downside there is written America, and the proper adjective here written American. Just to remember the one thing, proper adjective, an adjective that is formed from a proper noun and that is usually capitalized in English.